In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check driving speed limit on Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, go to Settings, then Navigation Settings. Scroll down and make sure the speedometer option is enabled. This allows Google Maps to display your driving speed during navigation. Once that's turned on, enter your destination and tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. While navigating, you'll see your current driving speed displayed on the screen. If speed limit information is available for the road you're on and supported in your region, Google Maps may also show the posted speed limit alongside the speedometer. If you don't see the speed limit, make sure your Google Maps app is updated to the latest version and that navigation is actively running. Also keep in mind that speed limit data isn't available on all roads and may not be supported in every country or region. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.